Are we going as family or victims?
Do you want to be villain or victim?
I'll just do the top one.
Family now.
Which is it?
It's up to you
Family.
to secure the property and
Okay.
stop victims from escaping.
Yeah, let's start with
Family's
that.
way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits
This
are
is
closed,
just
trapped,
fucking
or
Dead
guarded.
by Daylight.
Make sure to monitor crucial.
The one that I tried out.
Yeah, the asymmetric fucking, villains versus victims kind of thing, or monsters versus victims. All right, we'll give it one thing to prove itself better. I'm very skeptical.
Oh, of course, you pick Leatherface.
I didn't pick anything. I just picked whatever gave me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Then I'll do that.
I'm not trying to do nothing.
Ready to.
One eternity later.
Come on, man. Last thing we need is an AFK person on our team. Why do people get in fucking lobbies when they're fucking AFK? I don't understand it.
Super annoying. Okay, I'm already done with this game.
Yeah, me too. 30 seconds. Okay. I will give it one game before I'm like, alright, this is
I quit already.
Oh, you
I
already quit?
opened Halo.
Well, then that's the end of that recording. Uninstall. Die, game.
That was terrible.
Yeah, I uninstalled it. Alright,
and I just uninstalled Texas Chainsaw.
Oh, I did that too.